forgot to mention if you haven't already, like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So today I'll be showing my 3-year-old sister. We're just gonna. Okay, hold on. You gotta be quiet. That's my other sister. But we're gonna show her a fidget toy of mine in this box, and I'll see how she plays with it. So this one is a reindeer scented like chocolate puppet. No, sit down. Siéntate. Come here. So let's see how she plays with it. No, put it on the floor or put it right there. Okay, play with it.
I can't.
Okay, well that's a good way to play with it. Do you like this or no?
Yes.
No shirt. Okay, next we'll do this one. Might be a little bit tricky. Okay, hold on. Pop it. Go. Here. Wait, put it right here. How do you play with it? No, this is how you, guys. This is how you would really play with it. See, 2 of them are. No. Okay. Oh, here. A dimple digit. Let's see how she plays with it. Put it on the floor. Or put it right here.
No.
Shh. Okay. Next we'll do.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll do.
Esta.
No.
No.
No. Here. Go sit down. Move yours. So.
So.
Give it a punchy. Put it right here. Okay. Success. So this is the only one she didn't want to play with.
I'm going. Mom, I'm going.
Okay, next we're gonna give them. Beef, sit down. Leave your cat alone.
Okay.
Hello. Okay. We're gonna do. I just gotta pick something. Okay, fell all the way to the bottom, but my favorite. No, siéntate. My favorite bike treat. You want that? Put her here. Play with it. That's not how you play with this is. Okay. Next we're gonna give her a water timer. Put it right here, Fee. Okay, now play with it. That's really how we're gonna play with it. No. Okay. Oh, I mean that's how you play with it, but okay. Shh. Next, we're gonna give her a shaggy needle. You want one, Pumpy?
Yeah. It's too hard.
Okay, that's good. She was just squishing it. Next, we're gonna give you my telephone, my pink glittery telephone puppet from Icing. No, put. Oh, here. We're gonna give my sister. We're gonna give my other sister. Oh, she's just like popping with that. Here. No. We're just gonna give my sister a simple dimple. Okay. No. By the way, Icing is a very good poppet place. the cat just bit my sister's foot.
Oh, my chocolate.
It's okay. I'm gonna give my sister my other icing poppet. And that goes like that. Next, we'll put mine. Put it right here. Flip it. I'm gonna give her my crawler. If you haven't watched my video, me opening this and my my Lucky Trucks, then go check that out.
I'm playing like this.
No.
Ah.
Next, we'll give her my dimple. Okay, we're just gonna pick something.
Ow.
Oh, my Mickey Mouse puppet. That I'm probably gonna take to Disneyland soon. No. Next, I'll give you. Lucky Truck. No. Next, we'll give her my. Okay. Next, we'll do my jumbo homemade Orbeez stress ball. Next, we'll do my what's it called? Wait, the Shaggy Needle, but it's an off-brand Shaggy Needle. Okay, well, that's it, because I don't like touching my fidget. But anyways, that will be it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And so you won't miss another video. So yeah, bye you guys. Oh, and also, let me know if you guys want to see more videos with my sisters or family members. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.